Time for a summertime friendly dessert. Mom's homemade cake. This one's chocolate. It's made from Oreo cookies, baking powder, and a little bit of milk. It's totally weird, but it's gonna work, I promise. Split those cookies in half and scrape out the cream filling. Set aside your cream filling in another bowl. As for the cookie part, you're going to want to pulverize it. You can do it in a food processor like I did, or in a plastic bag with a rolling pin. Or heck, you can do it by hand if you're weird or insane. Pour those crumbs into a big bowl. Add your baking powder and your milk. Stir to combine. Once that's good and mixed, add your cream filling and mash it in. Keep stirring until it's all combined. Alright, grab a non-stick pot and lightly grease it with oil. Line the bottom with parchment. Put it on your stovetop and cook it for 45 minutes to an hour on the lowest heat. How long it takes will depend on your stove, the size of your pot, which you don't want to use anything too wide. You want to use something nice and stout. This is a really cool trick, and the cool thing is you don't have to use your oven. Once a toothpick inserted comes out clean, it's ready to depan. Let it cool completely on a rack. Then you can decorate it. This glaze is from my Bowser's Donut recipe and works pretty great here. There's a link for it in the description of the video. Do it over a foil lined sheet so you can save the glaze. Now we're going to use silver sprinkles, just a few, and some chocolate roses. You can buy these or even make your own if you're the kind of dude who's got a bin full of silicone molds. It doesn't need it though. Cake, just like Mom used to make? Probably not. But Mom's homemade cake is yummy! If you want more Animal Crossing yummies, you're in luck. There's a whole playlist. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!